Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am Kathy and I try things and I give you my 2 cents. So I'm sure you're familiar with Pillsbury slice and bake cookies. Now they have cut and squeeze batter. Banana bread, not nut, just banana bread. You can add your own nuts if you'd like. So yeah, so I thought this was pretty cool. So it's super simple to make. You preheat your oven to 350. If you have a loaf pan, you can use a loaf pan. If you don't have a loaf pan, don't worry. You can just use a regular 8x8, 9x9 pan. And I'm not going to cook this in my regular oven just because it will be frowned upon if I turn the oven on in my house because it's really hot outside and it's just going to heat up the house. So I'm going to use my Ninja that sits on the counter. I'll show you that. But I'm not going to use the loaf pan because the loaf pan will fit in there, but when it rises, it will probably hit the top. So I'm going to use the 9x9. Another advantage to using this pan is that it's not going to take as long to bake. Because this says with the loaf pan, it's going to take 60 to 70 minutes to bake. And it'll probably take half the time with the 9x9. So let's cut and squeeze. So it says right there, just cut and squeeze. All right. Oh, but first spray. Do not want it to stick. All right, cut. I should cut the whole top. Yes, I should. And this is with the other, like the biscuits and cookie dough and all that. This was $5.49. I believe that was on sale though. I've seen it as high as $6.99. All right. So I should have brought a spatula up here, but I didn't. All right. Ah. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. I think I got it all. I think I got it all. All right. I'm gonna just grab a spatula. All right. Just push it down. It says it's made with real bananas. I really hope so because I do love banana bread with fresh bananas, but I hate artificial banana flavoring. So let's hope. And if you like nuts, walnuts or pecans or whatever, you could add them to it. Into the oven at 350. All right, I'm going to put it in my Ninja here. If you haven't seen that review, I will link it below. I've had it about 3 years. I use it every day. The only issue I have with it is it's kind of a pain to clean. But other than that, I love it. All right, so put it in. All right, let's have it set for 25 minutes. We'll see. That's about half the time, so it may need a little longer. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. So it took about 25 minutes, so a lot less time than if you made it in a regular loaf pan. So should I cut it? I think I'm going to try to get it out of here. No, I usually almost line all my pans with foil just because it's easier for cleanup, it's easier to get out. But I didn't on this one. I didn't, and I should have. Looks good. All right. I love butter on my banana bread. There's the butter around here. Really hope it's good. It smells really good. It smells really good. Like I said, if you are a banana nut fan, add the nuts. I'm good with nuts. I'm good without nuts. You know, sometimes you feel like a nut. Oh, I guess that would be an almond joy, huh? Or sometimes you don't. Ah! All right. Very good. Not as good as mine, but it's very good. It doesn't taste artificial. I might have over baked it a little bit. And that's another reason I like to, I'm not a huge fan of baking in a loaf pan because it seems like you have to bake it for so long, it starts to dry out. So this one, I probably could have gone a few minutes less. I baked it for 25 minutes. Probably could have gone 22 minutes, something like that. But it's very good. I like it. Some nuts would be good, but like I said, banana bread's not hard to make, but if you don't want to take the time, just cut and squeeze and you're good. Sounds so weird to cut and squeeze. But anyway, Pillsbury. I don't have the, it's like I don't have the box, I don't have the wrapper. So Pillsbury banana bread batter, thumbs up for me. Out of 5, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. I think it's a decent banana bread. Like I said, not as good as mine, but for a cut and squeeze, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So if you try it, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I found it at Kroger. I've also seen it at Publix. So if you try it, let me know what you think. I appreciate you watching. And do you like nuts? Nuts or no nuts? Let me know. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.